Hello, my name is Lisa Carolina Gomez. I am a student English. This activity that sees final exam language for mm, this activity bank formation. Speakers derive a morphological symbol for down and for which they analyze on the basis of derivation and interesting partner existing in English as morphologically complex work. Impact formation speakers try more simple word from a form which they analyze on the for example by analogy with a very common derivation partner in English in which in which the accentive suffix is add to verb to produce and now sing was ear singer work was ear worker by was ear fire. Pairs have been formed from the following nouns by the removal of the accentive suffix as in 16, 16, babysitting, babysit or uh, type the words and the nouns predate the verb. In this case, we say that the verbs are but formation is that the opposite in motivation. T, B, A is opposed to A, B, C. We do knowledge of the story how an individual work. It is usually imposed and noun to the relaxed words result from the duration of the formation in my case of bank. Formation presumes a fixed mode which is in fact not true and affixed in following words where the or are not the authenticity but part of the router array oracles is locally is the legislator is editor edit is equaling air is release sculptor is Hakultanguis is Hamburger is not Ransom and Premium are colossal or monitor which other are putting as other example of pack formation are the following where a depression and derivation suffix has been removed in intention inutile. Not sensate. Result al premedical, parameditory. In linguistic, vowel formation is a version of from forming a new word and novelist by the more actual or suppose of this from another word. For example, a back formation is sudden word such as edit created from a larger word editor. The back form which is is isolated back formation as a call back derivation. Mm, has functioned and forms have not. There is nothing in the fourth terms the no squad To distinguish between aphyseal and back formation is a matter of historical formation outward state than of their structures. The third back formation was coined by Stone Leisure Girls Murray, the primary editor. For example, administer, cohabitate, cohabit, delimit, interpret, orient, register, remedy, revolt, solicit, Perlem, televised, television, babysitted, daydreaming, dream, 3D, recon donate, donation, televised, television, housekeeper, mass production, if, in eavesdrop, eavesdrop, cathedral. Thank you very much. Bye.